Hey guys, so how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So we will go straight over to those charts. And here we go. So four hour to start. Pretty obvious rejection here at this 9,200 level. In last night's video I did pretty much say this is definitely going to be a sell. It was 100% a sell. Not really, it wasn't, but I just thought it was. But I wasn't going to jump on straight away onto the sell. And then I did actually miss this sell off overnight because I do have to sleep sometimes. But I would have been looking to short basically once we had this candle close, this 4 hour candle close. A break below that 4 hour candle would have been my trigger, which was about over 9,100. So not a massive trade, but we're sort of just playing the ranges here, aren't we? We're trading the support and resistance levels, which is kind of how I like to trade. But yeah, so not looking good. There's no real two ways to look about this. We had that initial pennant that we broke out, so we will actually, well, what we'll actually do, we will just move this to a potential larger pennant that we are forming. And we'll see what happens with this one. So we're actually just going to adjust. We're going to reuse these lines. We're going to recycle them rather than let them go to waste. So yeah, so potentially new pennant forming, which no sooner have I drawn it, are we potentially breaking out the bottom of it? Maybe. Yeah, I'll just draw it to there. But yeah, so we're at the bottom of this. So so we kind of need a bounce here. Otherwise, we may drop out of this formation, this larger formation. You can see like a semi important horizontal level we've got coming in right here, right just above 9,000. So taking that out, I think will get us down to here and then get us through here. This has actually been moved, hasn't it? Yeah. So so we've actually let me just edit this. It's because when I have my drawing tools off, I end up moving things around, and this is one of the things that we've moved around. So this actually should be up here, because it is basically the 9,000 support area that we've been talking about. So yeah, right. So that's basically up to where it should pretty much be, and then I've obviously moved the horizontal lines that went with it also. So no idea where they've gone. But yeah, I do this quite a lot actually. If you guys might not notice, but I do end up moving lines around. Right, so what have we got going on here? We have got a sort of pennant forming here. We're in roughly in the middle of this range. We're gonna either have to take out the bottom or take out the top of this. I do think based on just the wider indicators that the downside is more likely, but we have, as we stand, got a higher low relative to this low, so we could try and put in a higher high, which obviously you guys know. I believe a move up to here will be a high probability selling opportunity where you can literally target nearly $1,000 move depending on where you actually did sell, based on what actually happened up here. But that's obviously not happened yet. We'll go over to the stochastics to see how they're looking. 4 hour turning back down, so that isn't looking too good. 8 hour turn back down, 12 hours turn back down now, so, and daily's turned back down and weekly is turned down. So we've got a full house of weekly stokes turning down. So you don't need me to tell you how not ideal that is for price action. So it's just a case of you just need to pick your pick your sell entries, and obviously up here was a good sell entry last night. Down here maybe not so good at the moment. See how we react with this support, but really you just got to be looking for shorts are the high probability, and then eventually we'll probably just break down, in my opinion, in my opinion. My opinion of the probabilities will be that we'll probably break down, but it doesn't have to happen. We've got easy level. I mean, it's easy for us to assess price action in real time. Getting back above 9,200 and holding, pushing back up to 9,400, 9,500 and holding, and then that would basically lean us back to the side of potential bullishness, of a bullish bias. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter whether I think that's going to happen or not. It's just a case of if it does happen, we'll react accordingly. So that is it really. Quick video, guys, just a quick update. So yeah, not a lot of price action going on. I think we'll wait to some sort of direction next week from obviously the other markets. But yeah, so that's about it, guys. So thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research. Hit that like button. And thanks for listening.